We are back for vlog number 2. Bike is all fixed, so we're ready to rip. I've also got the GoPro today, so we'll go do a bit more exploring. I know we've made a track in a pine plantation a while back, but I don't know exactly where it is. But apart from that, I'll be chucking the GoPro on and getting some POV of these mad little tracks in here, so should be a good day. All loaded up, had such a good day on the bike. That track in the pines is so fun, but really rough and technical at the same time, which I like, trying to work on my technique. I also made some adjustments to my bike and I feel really comfortable on it now. But yeah, apart from that, had a really good day on the bike and I'll see you in the next one. You.